Let's see why Golang interfaces are confusing, especially for newcomers. Let's see this example. I have type my error, which is a struct. It implements error interface, and I have a function called might fail that returns interface error, right? And in the body of this function, I declared error, which is type of my error, and I'm returning the error from this function. Let's pretend that this function does something and returns an error. In the main body, in the main function, I'm calling this might fail function, and I'm checking if the error is not nil. I'm printing that something bad happened. And if error is nil, I'm printing chill. What do you think will happen? Let's run this and see. As you can see, it printed something bad happened. But why is that? Because we are returning error and it should be nil. So in Golang, interfaces actually a pair of two values. You can think of interfaces like a tuple. For example, interface has a type and has a value. It has a value. In this case, this error has a type of my error. And it has value nil. So interface, to be nil value, it should have type of nil and value of nil. In this case, interface will be nil. But in our case, interface has a type. Its type is not nil. And because of that, interface is not nil. For example, we can printf type and value error. We'll run this example again. As you can see, it has type my error and the value is nil. And this is why Golang interfaces are confusing.